If your stretch marks are not fading, you're probably using too many products. You only need those two products I'm about to show you. In fact, let me show you the exact way to properly use them so that your stretch marks can become less visible. Go girl. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today we are talking about stretch marks. I'll be showing you a simple routine to feed your stretch marks using just two products. Now I need you to understand that stretch marks mostly occur when your skin stretches fast. As long as weight gain, pregnancy, growth is concerned, we all are prone to stretch marks. Or if you're a gym body that usually lifts weight for muscle development and all, you will notice your skin break slightly. So I need you to think of stretch marks as those tiny cracks that you see on your skin. Now that we already know the major causes, let me be honest with you, you can't totally or completely erase your stretch marks. They can only become less visible and smoother. You barely notice that they are there when you use the right product for it. So with all of that out of the way, let me plug you to a simple stretch marks routine using just two products. So the first product you will need is a treatment product, and one of the best and amazing treatments that is going to help reduce and get rid of your stretch marks is this 0.1% Tretinoin gel. This is it. Like, this is basically what you need to be able to get rid of your stretch marks, feed them correctly, and smoothing it out totally. You know what the Stretinoid gel does? It helps your skin renew itself. It equally helps to increase skin cell turnover. So that way, your skin is going to renew and repair itself. So in other words, the appearance of your stretch marks is basically going to reduce when you stay consistent with this particular treatment product. Now, the next or second major product you need is a bio oil. This right here, I will not say is a miracle worker. Like, bio oil is not going to work alone and fade your stretch marks entirely. No, that's not what I'm saying. But when you pair this particular bio oil together with the tretinoin, you're definitely going to be able to see improvements with your stretch marks 100%. Bio oil is more of a supportive product. In fact, this is a combo that I've recommended for different clients, and guys, they basically see results within the first 2 weeks or 3 weeks of using this. And that's exactly why I thought to plug you guys or put you guys onto this. Now, here is the catch or secret tip I never tell anyone. You will need a rich, thick, hydrating, moisturizing ceramide or glycerin lotion or moisturizer. Something that can be able to pull water into your skin and help with hydration and moisture. Like, that's another product you need, because most of you, if I say just use Tretinoin for your stretch marks, you will just go and be rubbing Tretinoin and be expecting miracle, not knowing that you're irritating your skin. When you bring this rich, nourishing, thick moisturizer into this routine, it's going to like solve all your irritation problem and as well help with your skin repair, because you're basically trying to repair the cracks that you already have on your skin. So when you use your treatment, you also need a rich moisturizer and the bio oil to work hand in hand and give you the result that you want. So having a rich moisturizer is also an essential step in this routine if you really want to fade off your stretch marks. Using moisturizers like this CeraVe moisturizing cream will really go a long way, because it actually contains different ceramides and repair ingredients that will help nourish, moisturize, and trap water into your skin. You can also use glycerin or any lotion that contains glycerin. It works as well. Now that we already know the products we are dealing with, let me walk you through a step by step morning and night skincare routine that is going to help you fade off your stretch marks very fast. Now, let's start off with your nighttime routine because this is the most essential routine when it comes to treating or fading your stretch marks. Immediately you're out of the shower or you're done bathing at night, all you need to do is to take a towel, dry the area where you have your stretch marks, or let the water dry a bit. Once that area is dry, all you need to do is to take a pea-sized amount of this tretinoid gel. Take a little amount, a tiny amount like this one is already enough to tackle these stretch marks that we are talking about, because a little of your tretinoid gel goes a long way. It's super effective, so you don't want to be applying too much. Now, you need to take your time and massage this pea-sized amount of tretinoin on the area where you have stretch marks. The next thing you want to do is to take your CeraVe moisturizing cream or any rich moisturizer that you're using and apply it directly on that area as well. Massage it all over your body, and immediately you're done, go in with your bio oil directly on those stretch marks. That way you're able to seal in all the treatment, all the moisture. When you're doing this treatment at night, you want to ensure you do this treatment like an hour or two before you go and lie down to sleep. And when you're using the tretinoin, you don't want to use it every day. Just use it 2 or 3 times weekly. See, if you're consistent with this routine, within 2 to 3 weeks, you're definitely going to be seeing results. Like, no joke, I'm not kidding you. Now, for your daytime routine, all you basically need to do is to just moisturize with your CeraVe moisturizing cream and seal in with your bio oil after your morning shower. And that is basically it. Like, that's all you have to do for your stretch marks care to work. These are the only things you need to just follow. Like, it's very easy, it's very simple, you don't need to do a lot, and you will definitely see your stretch marks disappear. If you want to be extra, you can also mix your bio oil together with your shea butter to keep that area well hydrated and soft, because as long as that area is always hydrated and soft, it's definitely going to start improving. So you need to be on 247 hydration. And that's why a lot of people usually recommend shea butter. But most people feel like the shea butter is going to work magic. But original shea butter does work for stretch marks, because I've actually tried it and it did work. That's if you have like a fresh stretch marks that is still red or purple in color. So shea butter is a great home remedy for stretch marks. In fact, I grew up seeing my mother use this dark oil that always have fat. I think that thing is called abubeka. I don't know the English name. Yes, I think it's called python fat. I grew up seeing my grandmother using the python fat on my mom. Whenever my mom gives birth, she will always come with that abubeka or python fat and use it to massage all over her skin to prevent stretch marks. And that's exactly why my mom never had all those pregnancy stretch marks or stuff, because her skin is always shining and is always properly like hydrated and stuff. So she barely had stretch marks. Like, even now, like, I don't see a single stretch marks on my mom's body, honestly. So that abubeke also works. But there is something my grandmother usually adds to the abubeke to make the color black. I think it's an oil or something. They mix it together, and that thing, like, it definitely works for stretch marks. I'm going to try find out if my mom knows what the black stuff is, and I'm going to insert that for you guys on the screen. Like, python fat also works for stretch marks, like, no doubt. It's something I grew up seeing. So if you're looking for a home remedy that you can try, you can definitely try out using shea butter, or you can try out this Abubakar that I'm talking about, like the original one. Is definitely going to remove your stretch marks. See, I never planned on adding any home remedy to this video, but this one just came into my head and I thought to share with you guys. Okay, so I guess you guys are lucky. Just ensure you use this product consistently if you want to get the best results. So go try any of this and don't forget to come back and thank me later. If you've used anything that worked for your stretch marks, please let us know in the comment section. Like, drop a comment about it, and you're most definitely going to be helping someone. So there you have it, how to fade your stretch marks fast using just two products. Don't forget, we also offer a one-on-one consultation section. I hope this video was very helpful and you learned a thing or two from today's video. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye guys.